Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. Now today I am going to start 14th lesson of your social study book, and your chapter name is Weather and Season. So all of you open your social study book, and in page number 88 this chapter is given. Okay, and your chapter name is Weather and Season. So we already taught in first class also about weather and about seasons. Okay, how many seasons are there, how many weathers. Okay, so in this class also I'm going to discuss in this class. Okay, and first of all, see here, two points are given, two topics are given, weather and season. So one by one we will discuss in this class about weather, about season. So see here, first on your marks, how is the day today? How is the day today? Here hot, sun is here, so this day hot. So here write it, summer means hot day. Okay, not summer, here write it hot day. Okay, this one rain is raining, so write it here, it is a rainy day. Okay, likewise here wind blow very fast, so here we can write it, it is a windy day. Okay, so here hot day, it is a hot day, it is a rainy day, and it is a windy day. Okay, now see here weather. First of all, I'm going to discuss about weather. We use words like hot, bright, sunny, cloudy, rainy, and cold, etc. to describe a day. A condition of a day at a particular place and time is called weather. Means in a day weather can change many times. Okay, in a day weather can change many times. Okay, so see here in which way, in which word we can use, in which way we can use for weather. See here, bright, sunny, cloudy, rainy, cold. Okay, these words we can use in weather, we can use to weather. Okay, we can use for weather. Okay, so all these picture describe the weather condition of a specific day. In a day, these all are weather's name. Okay, and in a day weather can change many times. Sometimes we can see what sunny, then that time sunny time. Okay, sunny day time, but after some time we see, we see cloudy day. Okay, that time cloudy times. Okay, so we can say that all these describe the weather condition of a specific day. Okay, so weather keeps changing, the weather keeps changing throughout the day. I already told you the weather keeps changing throughout the day. Morning are usually cool. In morning time, what you feel? That time we feel that time always cool. Okay, we can feel always cool. People go for walks and exercise in the morning. In morning time we all go for exercise, for walk. Okay, so it is usually get warmer at noon. Okay, this is because the sun is right above our head. Okay, so in noon time means afternoon time, noon time, what you know, 12 o'clock, that is noon time. Okay, so in noon time we feel very warm. Okay, we feel very warm. Why it is happen? because the sun is right above our head. Okay, that's why we feel very warm. Okay, and we feel very hot. Okay, now see here, afternoon. Afternoon means after 12 o'clock are hot. After 12 o'clock are hot. People like to be indoor in the afternoon. Okay, that time people live inside their house. Okay, it gets cold and pleasant in the evening. Pleasant means what? Nice and enjoyable. Okay, so that is very nice time, means it get cool and pleasant in the evening time. In evening time we can feel very nicely. Okay, and enjoyment time. Okay, so children like to play indoors in the evening. Okay, children like to play indoors in the evening. Now see here, 12 o'clock in the day is known as noon. Okay, and 12 o'clock in the night is known as midnight. This is very important, so take this one. After that, night is also cold and pleasant. The night sky is usually lit with the moon and twinkling star. So in night time what we feel? We feel cool and pleasant. Okay, and in night time what we see in the sky? The moon. Okay, and the twinkling star. So many twinkling stars are there. Okay, so activity first is there. So read the word that is used to describe weather. Spot them. The word search grid given below. So here grid box is given, and here some words are given. The weather vocabulary. So you have to find these word in this grid box. Okay, now here season. So seasons in a year, some months are hot and some months are cold. These are called season. Okay, in a year what you feel? In a year we feel that some months are hot, that is called summer season. Okay, but some months are cold, that is called winter season. Likewise, these are called seasons. These are different seasons that occur in India. In India, different seasons. Okay, here first, summer season. First of all, we can talking about summer season. Summer season is extremely hot. In summer season what we feel? We feel very hot. Okay, and the sun shine bright and hot wind blow. That time very hot wind blow. Okay, and we wear light cotton cloths. Okay, and we use cooler and air conditioner at home to keep ourselves cool. Okay, when we go out we wear caps and use umbrellas. We enjoy cool drinks and fresh juicy fruits in summer. Okay, these things we can do in summer season. Okay, because that time we feel very hot, and that time we wear light cotton cloth. We use cotton cloth that time. Okay, and we use always cooler and air conditioner. Okay, and to keep ourselves cool. Okay, and we use caps also, use umbrella also. Okay, so next, monsoon season. So it rain heavily during the monsoon season. When we go out we wear our raincoats and carry umbrellas to keep safe from the rain. Okay, so that time, in monsoon time, what we feel, what we see, 2 or 3 days continuously rain is raining. Okay, so that is called monsoon season. The rains heavily during the monsoon season, and when we go out we wear our raincoats and carry umbrellas. Okay, now we come to the winter season. It is extremely cold in winter. Okay, in winter time extremely cold and feel very cold wind blow. That time cold wind blow, and at some places it snows. Some places it snows. Some of us use room heater at homes to keep ourselves warm. Okay, and we wear woolen cloths. That time we use woolen cloths. We enjoy hot foods and drinks in winter. Okay, now we come to the spring season. The spring season occur between winter and summer. Okay, spring season occur between winter and summer. Spring is the season when new flower grow. That time new flowers grow. Okay, so that is very that time we feel very pleasant. Okay, now autumn season. So autumn season comes before winter. Okay, before winter this season come, and trees shed leaves during this season. See here, trees shed these leaves during this season. Okay, and we can say spring is the season of new beginning. Okay, spring is the season of new beginning. Okay, so these are the topics. Okay, so you all read this one by one, all the topics, all the seasons, about weather. Okay, thank you.